Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal International School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class 1 and today's topic is 2 candles without color. So dear student, look at the board. I have first write down the topic. You also write down the first topic, 2 candles without color, and this one is not your HW. Okay, just practice when you are watching and after watching. Okay, now I will show you how to draw 2 candles. First draw 2 straight line. Okay, like this, and then give a oval here and give a curved line. After that, here give your 2 curved line, but you must draw here a straight line. Okay, this one is very important. You must use a straight line here. After that, give the light like this. Okay, and then give this. This one is 1 candle, and second candle you will start from here. The same process. And then give the straight lines and the beat. Okay, look at the screen that look at the board that this one is in front of this candle. So this distance, you must remember this distance. No one will draw from here or finish here. And then give here another oval and the fire. Okay, the same things. For the better decoration, you can give here some leaf and flower, but it's not mandatory. Okay, so your today's topic drawing is finished. Practice at your home, practice and practice, and you will get perfection. Okay, no more today. Thank you.